In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix Roblox error 285, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by checking if there's any actual problems that aren't related to your server and they're just related to Roblox in general. So you're going to go to downdetector.ca/status/Roblox. It may also be .com if you're in America. Now, what you're going to do is just see if there's any outages that have been reported in the last 24 hours. Let's say if it was happening to you at about 11:15, if the reports were way high, then obviously it is a Roblox issue and not a issue on your end. Now, if there's a few reports, that's okay. But if there's a lot, then it's definitely Roblox's issue. Now, the second thing that you can do if it's an issue on your end is to go to roblox.com, and instead of /home, you're just going to go onto /support, and you're just going to have to fill out this information. But when it comes to the issue details, you're going to actually do the bug report, or you can also do technical support and Roblox crashing. Now you're just going to describe, I keep experiencing error 285, and you can request, and I need assistance. Now they should get back to you if you say something like this, and then when you're done, just click submit. Now these should fix your problem, but that's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.